Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entree Legends. Today we are flying in Catford in London Borough of Lewisham. So without further ado, let's take off. We're gonna hit tree, Actually no, we're not gonna hit tree. I mean yeah, we're close to it, but I've just done a drone flight in Peckham and then I've come all the way to Catford and I'm going to do my second drone flight. I've got my third battery. It's not my third battery, but it's actually the first battery I've used in Peckham. I'm charging that with my power bank. So hopefully by the time I get to, I'm probably going to get to Forest Hill after this and then do a little drone flight in Forest Hill as well. And then we should be fully charged for that. So I'm going to go for the max height and then we're going to do a 360-degree photo. So let's do our 360-degree photo. Alright, so 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around Catford. Let's go down there. It's just a nice sunny day, it's a hot day literally. Can't go wrong with today. Let's just zoom down to South Road and then we're going to come back to the north side. What's down there? Let's see what's down here. There's a little area down there. We're going to go towards it. Let's go towards this little area down there. There's a...
That's what I'm saying. And the way he's gonna move her. Really?
So there's a Selco down there, as you can see. Let's just orbit the Selco. A lot of horning happening in Lewisham. Catford. I've heard it even before I took off. Anyway, let's just come back here now towards this little area. Let's follow this car. Literally following it with ease. I'm going 36 miles an hour. That's how fast the drone can go. Look at that. That was the bike that we just heard and now it just came past. Or maybe it's that one, we don't know. Then we'll come towards back to the town centre. There's a little building down here. We'll get a shot of the other side. I want to go to... Let's go towards this side first. Trying to see what's down here. Let's go towards the neighbourhood area. Just see what's down here. Let's explore the neighbourhood of Lewisham. Let's go follow these cars down there. We've got a Lidl and a JD in the area. Let's get a tour of that. sideways shot. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go towards... Where should we go towards? I want to go towards here so you get a better range of the town centre of Lewisham. Not Lewisham, I mean Catford. I keep confusing it because I'm in the London Borough of Lewisham, but the area that I'm flying in is Catford. I don't know the Lewisham drone flight, the town centre earlier in 2024. 2025, yeah. So let's get a shot of this area. Get a shot of the town centre. We get a shot of this area down here, the green. I was going to take off from there, but I thought I might as well be closer to the town centre. Get a shot of the town centre, and then we're going to go down to that area where the green is. Get a shot at the town centre. Shot of that red car down there. And we've got a lot of solar panels in this area. Now that's the town centre of Lewisham. Get a shot of Canary Wharf in the background as well. What we're going to do, we're going to come back now to this area. The town centre, right here. Let's get a shot of the main area. I'm going to be down here now. I'm going to keep the drone right above here and just keep getting a shot of it as I walk towards the green, which is all the way down there. Right up there. I'm going to bring it there once I go to that area. Getting a vertical shot of that. Keep the drone up there. What we'll do, we'll just come back down. What we'll do, we'll follow a car coming towards here via this road. So something's going to go down here and it's going to come to my area. So we're in this area now. Let's go towards down there. So we got Catford Bridge right here. Catford Bridge Station. Good thing is that I'm literally in the shade right now, so my phone's not going to overheat. Plus it's later in the day. We'll do, we'll come back. Let's go towards this area down here, which is where we are essentially. Get a shot around the area. Just get a shot of this bus right here. Let's get a shot of the bus go down there. A low down shot. Look at that, it's insane. We're going faster than it, but I want to go fast. That's so sick. We'll follow something coming back as well. Look at that, we're following the bike with ease. Now what we'll do, we'll follow some car coming back. Look at that, it's an insane shot. We haven't done low down shots like this in a long time. We'll go to this area down there, we'll go back to where we were. What we'll do, we'll go back to this area down there. Our battery's low now, we're going to land it in a minute. I want to get a shot of this area first. It's like the high street area. I want to get copyright, so I'm going to walk away from that. Alright, let's land the drone now. Let's get a shot on the top of this building quickly. I just want to see the top of it. Quite interesting, isn't it? Alright, let's land the drone now. Because the battery's going to die. It's going to make that beeping noise. Recording, yep. All right, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Catford in London Borough of Lewisham. I hope you enjoyed this little drone flight of mine, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.